Hello and welcome to this comprehensive online course for Karnataka State Board students. My name is Emeth and I'm the Chief Course Instructor here at Gyaniversity. I'm excited to introduce you to this online course. If you're looking to make your studies quick and enjoyable while still scoring the best marks, you're in the right place. First up, we have our intro and strategy section. Now this section is all about getting you familiar with the subject as we'll go over things like the course structure, the grading scale, and question paper pattern. And with all these new changes made by the board, we'll also share important strategies and tips to help you ace your board exams. But if you ask me, the best thing about the intro section is our list of most important topics. Now, as the name suggests, this section will show you all the topics that have the highest chances of appearing in your upcoming exams. And you can trust this information because it's based on an AI analysis of hundreds of previous year question papers. This secret list will show you where you need to spend most of your time learning and practicing. We want you to study smart, not hard. Next up, our hand-picked video lectures and important notes are where you need to go to learn everything you need to about every lesson in detail. We've chosen simplified video lectures from experts that explain complex topics in a very easy way. Plus, our experienced teachers have compiled special notes in simple English that make it easy to remember the key points. You can even download and print these notes if you want. Now, the best part of our course, thousands and thousands of practice questions and their answer explanations. What more do you need to practice when we've already covered every question that could possibly be asked in your exam? These quizzes are arranged by topic so that it's easy for you to practice, and they'll include all kinds of questions like fill in the blank, multiple choice, true or false, assertion reason, match the following, and more based on your paper pattern. You'll get instant results and feedback after every question so that you can keep track of where you went wrong. Now, once you're done practicing, it's time to put yourself to the test. So head over to the test series section where you can attempt 10 full-length mock tests to get a real feel of what's going on and what it'll feel like for you in the actual exam. And here's something unique. Our teacher-graded assignments will help you get personalized feedback on how you can improve. Just attempt the practice question paper and submit it, and our teachers will guide you. If that wasn't enough, you'll also get access to the famous guidebook by Gyaniversity Publications, printable notes, previous year question papers, and the official textbook. Those who like reading in a hard copy will also get a special discount code on the hard copy guidebook inside the course. We keep our course content updated regularly, and once you enroll, you will get access for 2 full years. In case you're not satisfied with the course within the first 24 hours, we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. So sign up and take the first step towards your academic success. I can't wait to see you inside the course. Let's have some fun while we learn.